today I'm going to show you how to remove an anti-static solder ball from a laser for a replacement laser for an Xbox. The buddy I work with bought this to replace the defective part on his Xbox. He didn't know how to remove the solder ball, so I'm going to do it for him. Laser comes in just a package, just a little bag, and here's the laser. This is what reads the disc, this little part right here. But on the top, where the connector plugs in, you'll see this little ball of solder. And basically that's just connecting 3 circuit traces, and it's just providing continuity between them. So that ball just needs to be removed. So in order to do this, you're going to need a soldering iron, and I've just got a cheap Radio Shack 15 watt 30 watt soldering iron plugged in, ready to go. And then you need some solder suck wire. It's basically just a tightly braided, very thin gauge wire, and it'll just suck the solder up into it to remove it from the board. Alright, so I've got that position. I've got my solder hot, or my iron's hot. I got my little solder sucker wick, and basically you just put the wick on here and apply heat. And because solder is capillary, it'll suck up towards the heat and remove right off the board. And I'm just going to do a little bit more just to make sure I got it all. See if that gets in close. So there you can see the 3 separate pads, and you can see that there is no solder connecting the pads, and so we're good. That's it. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching.